Hello friends, today we will discuss about the Commonwealth Games that have recently concluded in Scotland. We will discuss each and every detail with you for the Commonwealth Games and India's performance, India's gold medal winners, silver medal winners and other medalists. Starting with the sports event that took place, it was basically started in 23rd July to 2nd August 2026 and it was held in Glasgow, a city in Scotland. So these were the Commonwealth Games and 74 Commonwealth teams that came for the Commonwealth were as follows. Discuss about the mascot of the game. The mascot of the game you can see on the screen. It is fine and it was a unicorn and it was developed by the students of the Scotland only. In every game it is usually held and it was usually developed so that it can make the games more interesting to look. The next is there were 10 sports that were included in the Commonwealth Games and also many sports that have been excluded like hockey, shooting, that were also there in Commonwealth Games and that was a drawback also. इंडिया के पास बहुत सारे मेडल्स आते थे बेसिकली क्योंकि शूटिंग से हॉकी से सो दीज मेडल्स वर नॉट देयर दिस टाइम. सो द स्पोर्ट्स दैट वर इंक्लूडेड दिस टाइम वर बास्केटबॉल हो गया, जिमनास्टिक, एथलेटिक्स, बॉल्स, बॉक्सिंग, जूडो, नेटबॉल, स्विमिंग, track cycling and weightlifting. Also 6 of them were included in the para sports games. The next is medal standing, of course. Who stood first was Australia with 70 gold medals and of total 171 medals. Then second was England, third Canada and India got fourth position with 39 medals in total and 13 gold. Talking about India's performance was fantastic. The weightlifter Mirabai Chanu and Lavinia was the flag bearer during the Commonwealth Games in the opening ceremony and boxer Jasmine was the flag bearer in the closing ceremony. India got 13 medals that I have told you. Now we will discuss about the gold medalist who got gold medal. Starting with the Mirabai Chanu, she was the first one who got first medal in this Commonwealth Games. She is a weightlifter in 48 kg and she secured third consecutive medal in the Commonwealth. Okay. Now second is Sharmila Dhankar. She is a para athlete and for women shot put she got first gold medal in this games. Now next is Dileep Gawit. He is also para athlete in men 100-meter race and it was his basically India ka third gold medal that was won by him. The next is Ashmita De. You can see in the picture she is a judo player and she won India's first ever Commonwealth Games gold in judo with her spectacular performance. Then Harsh Singh again from the judo, he also got the India gold medalist in the Commonwealth Games. Now talking about next gold medal, he is Soman Rana, a para athlete again in men's shot put and won gold medal for India. Next is women category boxing. Boxing has done a great role this time. Boxing has got so many medals for India. So starting with a gold medal, Preeti Pawar, she got gold in boxing. Then next is Jasmine, she also got gold in boxing women category. Next is Sakshi Chaudhary, she also got boxing women category gold medalist. You have seen her, she is a very famous player also and have won many various other medals also. The next is Priya. She also won gold medal in women boxing for India. Next is women category gold again Arunadati Chaudhary, the boxing medal also again. Okay? So now the men category gold medalist Sachin Sivaj also got gold medal in boxing. Then next is Ankush. He also got gold medal in boxing for the men category. So these were some of the gold medalist winner. Talking about the silver medal winners who got silver medal, the first is Neeraj Chopra. He is also known as Golden Boy of India because he has won gold medal in Olympics. So Neeraj Chopra got silver medal in the Commonwealth Games, missed out by some points basically. So there were 5 athletes who won silver medal, um, long in the long jump, in triple jump, in high jump, and in 10,000 meter. Okay, then there were 6 players who got silver medal in weightlifting, and 3 more players in boxing who got silver medal in women category, Lovlinia, men category Narendra, then also again the men category. One judo woman also got silver, Yamini, and 2 para athletes won silver medal, the one in shot put and the other in 100 meter. Okay. Now talking about the bronze medal winners, there were also some of the bronze medal winners, like there were 5 athletes who got bronze medal in javelin, in triple jump, in 5,000 meter, and in discus throw, Seema. So these are some of the medal winners in bronze category. And in weightlifting, women 58 kg, one para powerlifting, men heavy weightlifting, that is again a para athlete, woman shot put, Shilpa, judo in women category, Unnati Sharma. So these were some of the bronze medal winners. Now talking about the history of Commonwealth Games. Commonwealth Games started in Canada in 1930 basically, and India made its Commonwealth Games debut in 1934, the second edition, and in 2026 it marks 19th appearance. It was the 19th time जब हम India Commonwealth Games में participate किया है. Now next is we will discuss about the first from India basically, who has got first medal, first woman category, and all these things. So the first Indian to win medal in Commonwealth was Rashid Anwar. You can see in the picture in 1934 in wrestling games. Okay, then first Indian woman to participate in Commonwealth Games, D Suzuki, in 1958. Okay, the first Indian woman to win medal in Commonwealth Games. अब ये तो participate का था जो हमने पहले देखा. Now in the medal category, it is in badminton, Amy Ghaya and Kanwal Singh in 1978 in the badminton doubles. Okay, then next is first Indian to win gold medal in Commonwealth Games, Milkha Singh in 1958. We all know Milkha Singh, है ना, the sprinter. Then first Indian woman to win gold medal in Commonwealth Games, Rupa Unnikrishnan. ठीक है. Next is problems that were faced by Indian athletes this time, because many of the games that were excluded, and they were significantly important for India's performance, like wrestling, badminton, hockey, shooting. They were not part of these games. So what all the solutions that can be drawn from this Commonwealth Games? Basically, India record best ever boxing championship. Okay, I told you there were so many gold medalists from boxing only, and many silver medalists, many bronze medalists only from the boxing. So this was a history creator for the boxing players. India enjoyed boxing first its finest performance in these Commonwealth Games, with 7 gold medal and 3 silver medal. Okay. Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister of India, also tweeted for the same, and he tweeted that it is delighted to inform that India won 39 medals including 13 golds, and congrats to all the gold medal winners. So the next very important announcement is next Commonwealth Games, that to be held in Ahmedabad in Gujarat in India. Basically, India will be the host for 2030 games. Okay, this is a great news, and India has started preparing for the same also. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.